Next topic 3.6 Fisheries. Fisheries in India are a very important economic activities. Fisheries in India very important economic activities and flourishing sectors. With varied resources and potentials. Fisheries is economic activities and flourishing sectors. They vary the resources and potentials. And it provides about the 3% of the world fish and occupies the 7th place among the fish production nations of the world after China. So it produces about 3%. It produces the 3% of the world fish and occupied. So India occupied of the 3% of the world. The 7th place among the fish production. India fish production the 7th place in the world. The first one is in China. First place in the China. About here in India is a major industries in the coastal state, employing over the 14 million people. The fisheries depend upon the 14 million employed in these fishery occupations. Fisheries. So, the fishery in India is the major industry in the coastal state. Coastal state means Mumbai, Goa, Kochi, Thiruvananthapuram, New Mangalore, the important port areas. Chennai, Ellur, Thoothukudi, Visakhapatnam, Paddi, Haldia, Kolkata. These are the major seaport. The major industries in its coastal state employing over the 14 million people. After the 3% of the world fishing occupied, the 7th place in India, first place in China. It also helped to augmenting food supplies. First one is for the food supply, generating employment, raising the nutritional levels, employment, food supply, nutrition level, increasing the nutrition level, earning valuable foreign exchange. These are very important for the fishery in India. First one is called the food supply. Second one is for the increasing the nutrition levels, generating employment opportunity, foreign exchange. In India, fisheries categorized into two types. One is marine fishing or sea water fishing. One is marine or sea fisheries for right at the coastal areas. Inland fishing or freshwater fisheries, like that for the river, lake, pond, so like that. This is inland water fisheries. So two types of the fisheries. One is for the marine or sea fisheries. Second one is inland or freshwater fisheries. First one is marine or sea fisheries. Marine or sea fisheries. So marine fishing for the the coastal areas, mainly for the coastal areas. It include the coastals, offshores, and deep sea fisheries, mainly on the continental shelves. Mainly for the continental shelves, the coastal areas. First one is the coastal areas. Second one is offshores. Third one is for the continental shelves and deep sea fisheries. There are four important. One is the marine fishings or sea fisheries in coastal areas. Second one is offshores. Second one is the offshores. Third is continental shelves, and then is deep sea fisheries. So the marine fishing or sea fisheries, Kerala is leading in the marine fish production in India. Marine fish production in India. Second one is inland fisheries. Second one is inland or freshwater fisheries. Inland or freshwater fisheries. About that 50% of the country. So mainly for inland and freshwater found in the river. First one is for the river, lake, canals, reservoirs, pond, tanks. These are found in these freshwater fisheries or inland fisheries. Mainly for river, lake, tank, canals, reservoirs, ponds, like that. The freshwater fisheries. About 50% of the country, the total fish productions comes from the inland fisheries. 50%, the 50% of the country, total fish productions comes to inland fisheries. Next one is the total fish production comes from the inland fisheries, and the Andhra Pradesh. The Andhra Pradesh is the leading producer in India. So the marine fisheries for the Kerala, inland fisheries leading for this Andhra Pradesh. Inland fisheries leading for this Andhra Pradesh. In India, the important varieties of the fisheries by the fishermen are the catfish. So varieties of the fish found in India. The important fish body like that one is for catfish. Second one is for the herrings and burgess, eels, mullets. So these are the varieties of the fish found in India, important fish in India. So two types of the fisheries. One is marine or sea fisheries. The lead Kerala is lead in these marine fish protections in India. Inland or freshwater fisheries for mainly found in this river, tank, canals like that. Andhra Pradesh is the leading producers in India. Thank you.